Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change name on IMVU. So let's get started. Begin by launching your IMVU application. Now tap on your profile icon which is right next to gear icon. Select Edit at the top right corner of your screen. And then tap on Name option. Now enter a new name. Once you are done, tap on the Done button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can change name on IMVU. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.